Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to reverse park with a reverse camera. This will be a super easy driving tutorial, so let's get right into the video. First and foremost, you should not only be reverse parking only using your reverse camera. When you're reverse parking, you need to look at your mirrors, your reverse camera, use your windows, your windshields, and look all around your car as well. But the reverse camera is an excellent tool to help you in reverse parking and get your reverse parking to be more precise. That's the idea here. So first and foremost, I'm going to put the car in reverse just to show you that there are actually three different views on this reverse camera. We have a wide angle view, which gives you a wide spectrum of what's behind you. We have a more narrow view, which shows you more narrowly and less of a wide angle. Like you can see right here, everything's curved, right? Whereas this, everything is more straight, so you get a better perspective, but less width with your view. And then lastly, we have a directly overhead angle, so now I'm seeing exactly where the rear of my car is. So I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to put the car in drive. I'm in an empty parking lot. Well, it's not empty, there are cars, but there's no one walking through the parking lot right now as far as I can see. So we're going to drive forward and I'm going to show you how to reverse park. Now, like I said, I'm going to be turning my head and signaling and using my mirrors and looking everywhere, but the main focus of this tutorial is for the camera part. So I'm going to tell you that I'm looking around, but the main focus will be what's happening with the camera. Okay, so let's turn off the e-brake, just like that, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to line myself up for reverse park. So I'm just going to pull over here, and I'm going to line myself up to reverse park on my right side. So I'm going to signal, put the car in reverse, look at my mirrors, look all around, blah, 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 do all of the safety checks. Like I said, the main focus is the camera. So you can see I'm in my wide angle view. And right now I'm mainly using my mirrors to start lining up my car into the parking spot, okay? Now, I didn't get a very precise park, so I'm gonna actually move forward right here, just like that, and I'm gonna line myself up a little bit better. Now I'm gonna start reversing. And I'm still in that wide angle view, as you see right there, okay? And I'm starting to turn the wheel. Now you can see there's actually a vehicle over there on that side, okay? You can actually see there's a truck, a van over there. So I'm gonna start lining myself up. Now, at this point, once I'm basically in the spot, as you can see, I'm in the lines, as you can see right there. I like to switch to the more narrow view, because now I can really see where I am in the lines. And I'm still using my mirrors, obviously, but now I can see, hopefully you can see this on the camera. I'm going to try and zoom in a little bit to make it a little bit better. But you can see right here, let's turn the camera, there we go. You can see right here, now I can see that I'm in between the lines, and I'm going to continue reversing. And then I'm going to go to my overhead view, and now this is going to show me when to stop. And I'll show you one more time with the camera zoomed in. So now I can see my bumpers right here, this line at the bottom, and boom, I stopped right before going over the curb, okay? So I'll line it up one more time, and now that you have a closer view of the camera, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing right here. So now that I'm over here, like I said, I'm going to put the car in reverse. I'm going to start steering into the parking spot, okay? And I'm going to try, and right now I'm not even looking at the camera yet. I'm going to change it to the wide view though, but I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm still using my mirrors only and turning my head around in my windows. But now I can see that I'm lining myself up in the spot. And like I said, I'm using my mirrors and I'm looking all around and stuff like that. I'm going to go forward to straighten out just a little bit. We're going to try lining it up one more time, a little bit better. So you can see we're at the wide angle here. Now I see I'm in between the lines. So now that I'm in between the lines, I'm going to switch to my more focused view, okay? And I'm still, like I said, you could probably see me or hear me turning my head around, but I'm still using my mirrors to line it up, but I can see I'm in between those lines, okay? And now as I go further back and I need to know when to stop, I switch to my overhead view. And now with the overhead view right here, as you can see, I know exactly to stop right there. So you can see my bumper is directly in front of the curb, and that's it. I stopped in the right spot. I can put it in park and I'm good to go. That's it. That is essentially how to reverse park using a reverse camera. And obviously your camera might have different views, but the idea is that the different views will help you during the different aspects of reverse parking. Now, like I said, the main focus of reverse parking is to obviously turn your head, look out your windows, look at your mirrors, and blah, blah, blah. But at the end of the day, the reverse camera is there to assist you. It's added assistance. But that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.